Instagram as the third most valuable social media platform. Many people are promoting and marketing products on it. And basically everyone has multiple Ins accounts. If not, let me explain why you need it. If you want to promote several different types of products, such as carpets and steaks, then post them all on the same account. Your account positioning will not be clear, and the algorithm will not be able to accurately push you to the target users, or for audiences in different countries. Of course, you can post all content in English, but think about it carefully. Would it be better to create content that suits their preferences for different countries, plus add local languages? There are many situations where multiple accounts are better than a single account. But I know that what most people do is to use the 5 accounts allowed by Instagram. Log in repeatedly every day. Scan, post, log out, and log into the other 5 accounts again. In addition to the trouble, the more serious result is leading to shadow ban. Engagement and reach drop quickly. You post normally, but no one sees it. Product exposure drops and your efforts go to waste. Then you will find more than one account like this. All accounts are dead silent. Have you ever thought about how everything happened? Instagram uses device fingerprinting to secretly track your online activities, such as location, search history, etc., to personalize your browsing experience based on your preferences. It knows how many Instagram accounts you have logged into using this device. Once a violation is detected, all accounts will be banned. So how can we avoid a chain reaction? The most reliable way is a mobile phone wall, but everyone knows that the cost is too high. To protect your privacy on Instagram Modern, you may need some high-level third-party tools like anti-detect tools. Next, let me show you how I registered and managed multiple Instagram accounts. First, go to the official website to download the software. Click the download button in the upper right corner. Select the installation package according to your computer, because I'm already using it, so I will operate directly. We need to create a new profile and add the proxy here. When entering the proxy, just paste all info in. It will automatically recognize and fill in. And check the proxy. No problem, click Confirm. There are Model X and Model B to choose. You can choose according to your personal needs. Once activated, you can start. It takes a little time to start up for the first time, so be patient. Here, INS is pre-installed in the software settings. My network is not well. You can see the yellow light here, which means poor. Create a new account. Take a look at it while wait. Open the software, click Extensions and Applications. Here you can add the apps you want to pre-install. Back. Select your email to register to avoid the phone number. Enter verification code and password. Pay attention. When selecting your date of birth, do not be lower than 16 years old. Otherwise, the account will be private. If you want to make it public, you will need another account to be the parent account. Things will be much more troublesome. And then fill in the information. If it is normal to come to the step of adding an avatar and you are not banned, it's settled. If you are blocked just after registering, you may need to check whether it is a problem with the proxy or the tool you use. The new phone does not have any files or photos. Very simple too. Select Upload Files in the sidebar, and the files on the computer can be imported into the phone. Add the avatar and be careful to keep an account 2 to 3 days. you can start normal operations. But you still have to be careful not to violate IN's rules. The same operation applies to other accounts. Once created, you can easily manage multiple IN's accounts. If you like this video, please click the like button below to let me know. I will work hard to produce more and better videos.